Hallo, Kimmer Hashiv and you is Misha Joseph and Analaba. Hami Anan Paslich Henish exam Akum and you. Hi, this is Joseph. I'm here because I have an exam today, a very short oral Gaelic exam, and I'm desperately trying to prepare by answering a whole stack of questions I have here, as well as going over the exam material that I know she's going to ask me. My weaknesses include talking about family, and there's other things as well, like numbers, but I'm not going to go there because I think it's very complex. But the family thing we will be practicing, as well as the questions. So let's do these now. We're just going to trot through them. They start off really easy, so we shouldn't have a problem. And it'll get my mouth moving nicely before the exam. Right. Cymra hau hami gleifa yn Jew. Coes a hahu hami a paslich an an alaba. Jane tenem yn a horst. Je an tenem a horst. She Joseph a horum. Avel hu gema. Avelu gema. Hami gema yn Jew. Cymra hash of hain. Hami gleifa in Jew. I think I just jumped a little bit there. Let me go back up. How tolicha in Jew Nechael? Hami tolicha in Jew. Cymra ha an amser in Jew. She Martin va a hon. Ach hai gleur. How an alaba Nechael? Hami an alaba. Have o Seamus ans and tai. Can you fisacum? No. Can you? Ha Seamus an in Glasgow, Anish? No, Seamus is in Glasgow today. Catchaville Ian, ha Ian an in Dunedin. How a furach an in Glasgow in a hail. Can you? Ha mi a furach an in Paslich. Data chor in Jew. Cormac. Hashimis ans a vala vor na chael. Chaneo Hashimis ans a balabek an Jew. Avilu an Indonesian andrasta chaneo hami an paslich andrasta. How as in Farang na chael. Chaneo hami an paslich an Jew. Avilu tolikche ans antai ur. Ha hamitology and tai ur. Cymra ha morag ha morag gleifa. Ha iad tology and Jew na chael. Ha iad tology and Jew. A fel yn la bria yn Jew. She la bria a hawn. How a fwrwch fesger yn sgol na chael. Chaneu chaneu how am I going to say this? I want to say no, I don't live near a school. Chaneu mi a fwrwch fesger yn sgol na chael. A Glasgow ans yn eilen skiën ac na chael. Chaneu. Ha Glasgow ha Glasgow fesger paslich. This is Fesk air, so Glasgow is near Paisley. How ans yn tai agad hain? hami ans yn tai anju hai ffwr. A fel yw y ffwrach an yn sasyn, um, chynnyw hami a ffwrach an alaba. Hami an amser bla yn jwn a chael. Uh, Chynnyw ha an amser fflwch yn jw. Had you carriage ans an geltach na chael. Ha mo carriage ans an geltach yn jw. How tolich anish na chael. Hamitology, ha am ffôn a cwbr yn a chael. Ha am ffôn a cwbr. A fel yn teacher an yn Glasgow, gan yw ffysacwm, ha am bala sio bria na chael. Ha mi bala, ha mo bala briach. Ha yn ffôn yw'r acet. Ha am ffôn yw'r acwm. I've jumped there again. The last one was about the phone, wasn't it? Where was I? Oh yeah, there's the one about Morag. We've done that. Yeah, there we are. A fel yn teacher an in Glasgow, ha teacher an in Glasgow, ha am bale sio briach na chew, ha am bala sio briach. Ha am ffôn yw'r agyd na chew. We just did that one. Ha am ffôn yw'r acwm. Right, Gymra ha Glasgow yn jw. Gleifa ha i ffwr an yn Glasgow. Che matin fa a hwn an yn Glasgow. A fel hw am Balabec no more. Ha paslich bec. How a ffwrwch ans yn tai yw'r na chael? Yeah, you see, every so often I just lose myself with these questions. My mind just freezes. This is my fear. How a ffwrwch ans yn tai yw'r? How a ffwrwch ans yn tai yw'r? How a ffwrwch ans yn tai yw'r? Ha mi a ffwrwch ans yn tai yw'r? Cymra ha am bale sio. Cleifa. Ha na clawn ans yn sgol na chael. Canyew clawn acwm. A fel am banca an yn Glasgow, ha am banca an yn sraj saci hall. Catja fel yn teacher, ha yn teacher an yn Glasgow an jw, ha yn tai acid ans an eilen skianach na chael. Chanyew mi yn tai acwm ans an eilen skianach. A fel yw ans yn dynidion yn drasta. A fel yw an yn dynidion yn drasta. A fel yw an yn dynidion yn drasta. A fel yw an yn dynidion yn drasta. Chanyew, ham i an yn paslik yn drasta. Han teacher yw'r an y fali for na chael. An jw ha yn teacher yw'r ans a fali for. Catja fw dy charage. Ha mo charage an yn Glasgow an jw. Ha dy vrahar ans yn hospital na chael. Chanyew, ha mo vrahar ans an garage anish. Oh, I'm jumping again here with this. A bhfuil tíola ceacaid, ha mi posta agus ha bratharacham, hadú fiúr ans an tain na chéal, ha mo fiúr ans an hospital a gobar an dú. Cos a ha du charidjin, cos a ha du karstjin. Wel, motíalach, ha motíalach a faslach, a bhfuil clownach sémas. Ha, um, eh, well, Mac agus níon ece. Hadú bhathair tolitiú an dú na chéal. Ha mo bhathair tolitiú an dú. Caite bhéú do bhreathar an drasta. Caite bhéú do bhreathar an drasta. Ha mo bhreathar a cobar an garage an danitjin. Ha du charidjin ans a géilteach na chéal. Ha mo karstjin, I keep saying that wrong. Ha mo karstjin ans a géilteach an dú. Ha tíalach mór acid na chéal chanéal tíalach bec acum. Caite bhealú a gobar sé hitse na bhuela a hannam. How tolitjis an opar acid na chéal. How tolitjis an opar acid na chéal. Ha mi tolitje opar acum. Hadú charid ac opar an Glasgow na chéal. Chanéal ha mo carid ac opar an paslach. A bhéil an teacher ac opar ac an scóil. A bhéil an teacher ac opar ac an scóil. A bhéil an teacher ac opar ac an scóil. It would be ec an scóil. A bhéil an teacher ec opar ec an scóil. Ha an teacher ec opar ec an scóil. Cymar a ha an opar acid an dú. Gléibh ha mi ec opar linne gléibh ag an tai. Okay, I'm going to stop there because I want to go back up to these questions that she's going to ask me. This isn't an exhaustive list of the questions she's going to put me through, but she's going to be asking me some of these things. I want to at least try to be prepared for some of them. So what I'll do is I'm going to record these and then I'm going to play them back again and again so I can hear them without seeing them, because I think this is a bit of a weakness for me. And just before I do that, let me just make a little introduction for you so you know what I'm going to say more or less, so I can think on my feet. Hello, is Misha Yusuf. Hami anam paslich anju ananalaba exam akam anju. Ananalaba anju she matinva ahon ha fur agus fluch ach she matinva ahon. Hami ac ober Erlinia sé hitcher nabuela annam agus ha chéalach bec ha bhrachar acum haia cúpar an garid an danidjin agus ha posta ha mi posta kutchuk sé Maria ahora sé Maria a her moven movrahar ha posta sé Marianne ven ek movrahar sé andra movrahar sé andra tannam movrahar ha Marianne ac oper an an hospital an an paslich ha a paslich movrahar agus mische ha sin a paslich agus ha Marianne a paslich kutchuk ha Mac achka sé Paul her Mac ek movrahar movrahar agus Marianne ha iad a furach an danidjin agus ha Paul an skol an Jew. I think I did well there. So that's a little introduction. So let me now just try to answer some of these questions. Let me just check to see how we're doing for time. First of all, yeah, we've got around 10 minutes. So let me just begin to answer some of these. Well, she's going to have to ask me how I am to begin, isn't she? So, Kimmer ha a Joseph, Hami Gleva, Kimmer ha in Chicha and in Paslich. She Martin va a hon ach ha e fluch. Kimmer ha an balla or tuvala. Gleva ha Paslich, Gleva and Jew. Kimmer ha an Titche, I think this is. Chich or Chachi. I'm not sure how to say that, but anyway, Kimaraha and Titche. Ha eguma. Ha eguma. Right. Catcheville u a furach. Hami a furach an paslich an an alaba. Ha mo vrahar a furach an an Glasgow. Yeah, that's just saying my brother lives in Glasgow. That must have been one of my notes. Catcheville and Drasta. Hami an paslich. Let's just move up, see what else she might say. Oh yeah, this is about the names. This is always a little bit harder, isn't it? Gentenim aher ben duvrahar. Gentenim aher ben duvrahar. What's the name on the wife of your brother? Okay, Gentenim aher ben de Vrachar. Um, chez Marianne, uh, chez Marianne ben Muvrachar. You see, the problem with this is once I start lying with a name like Marianne, I'm not going to remember. So she's going to be saying to me, Jane Tenemaher ben Duvrahar. I'll reply, chez Marianne, um, Aher ben Muvrahar. And then the next minute, she's going to ask me, Marianne, hiya Cooper. And I'm going to say, what? Who the hell is Marianne? You see, so this is the thing. If you start lying, you get really into a tiz, but at the same time, you don't want to be completely truthful because if I tell her I've got 10 brothers, she's going to start asking me all of the names. So yeah, it's about keeping things small so that I can get this over with without much difficulty. Right. Marianne, Hi, uh, hi, apaslich. Now, this is really important because I want to say, uh, hi, apaslich. I don't want to say, Marianne, apaslich. There's a real temptation to do that because I'm forgetting the question is ko. So the answer is, hi, apaslich. She's from Paisley. And that's also very different from saying, um, uh, where is she from? I mean, this is saying where is she from, but it's very different than asking, for example, Avel I Afulach, where is she living? That's what I want to say. Where is she from and where is she living are two very different things. Oh dear. Right. Um, okay, I'm going to leave it there for the minute. I think I've probably exhausted everything I want to say. Um, Yeah, okay, and I'll be back in a little while because my exam's not till 9, so well, not till 10, so I'll be back shortly with more practice. Martian let.